Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your school Chromebook. First, it is crucial to back up any personal files or data you wish to keep, as the reset will erase everything locally stored. The primary method for resetting is called a power wash, which effectively wipes all user accounts and local data, returning your device to its original factory settings. This ensures a clean slate, removing any school-specific configurations or restrictions. To perform a power wash, first sign out of your Chromebook. Then, simultaneously press the Ctrl, Alt, Shift, and R keys. This will bring up a screen where you can select Restart. After restarting, you will see an option to power wash. Confirm this choice, and your Chromebook will begin the process of erasing all local data and resetting to its initial state. This usually takes only a few minutes. If a standard power wash does not resolve your issue, you might need to enter recovery mode for a more thorough reset. To do this, hold down the Escape and Refresh keys, then press the power button. This will prompt you to insert a recovery USB drive. You can create this drive using another computer and the Chromebook recovery utility, which will completely reinstall the Chrome operating system. After the reset is complete, your Chromebook will restart. You will then be guided through the initial setup process, similar to when it was new. Connect to your Wi-Fi network, sign in with your personal Google account, and accept the terms of service. It is always a good idea to check for any available system updates immediately after setup to ensure your device is running the latest software. If you encounter any persistent issues, contact your school's IT department for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.